so now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna move on to how I did my hair for the maternity shoot. So looks like I'm using Red by Kiss, which I love. This wand does everything for me. It gives me life for my curls. I mean, it comes out so quickly. When I straighten my hair, how it is straightened right now, I use this. Looks like it's by HSI Professional. So this is my straightener, and it gets my hair so straight and beautiful. I love it. It gets it very, very straight because my hair gets very curly. Well, naturally it's curly, and it's very untamed. So all I'll be using today is my wand, my magic wand, Harry Potter. And I'll go ahead and be using my Dollar Tree once again. Always Dollar Tree for me. If not the Dollar Tree, then the 99-cent store, honestly. I think this is actually the 99-cent store. So yes, my 99-cent store clip. All right, so what I like to do, honestly, is I start from the bottom and I work my way up to the top. So I like to get small pieces. Like I'll break this up to maybe into 2. Not too big of pieces, but it is a big wand, so. Now usually they recommend wearing a glove because it gets so hot, this wand, and I burnt myself before too. I literally have, I'm burnt for life. I burnt my wrist or whatever, so lesson learned, and I still don't wear the dang glove. Hard-headed, hard-headed, hard-headed. But I like to let this sit for maybe 10 to 20 seconds. Longer, just hold it, and look how pretty that is when it comes out. Very pretty and curly, and it usually lasts a good amount of time too. So the longer you hold it, obviously the longer it'll last. You gotta make sure not to miss any hair. I like to run my fingers through my hair, make sure I don't miss any pieces, because if you miss a piece, then it's just gonna look weird. Have some straight hair and then some curls. And then yeah, I like to go in from like behind, wrap it around as much as you can. I usually have a little bit left on the tip, and that's fine. And then just go from there. In the back, I like to do really tight curls, so it goes really high up. Sometimes I even twist it like towards me, so I guess inward you can say, and go from there. All right, this one should be good too. Yeah, I mean, it's tight enough. I feel like the first one's a little bit tighter, but I use more hair in this one, so. And sometimes too, just to get more out of it, I'll even like separate it and get more curls. And then sometimes I'll even go back in there after separating it, and then just take that smaller curl and get a tighter close-up with the wand, basically. Because I want those curls in the bottom and in the back, basically, to really last. That's the thing. For the photo shoot, when I did it, it was really windy, so that can mess up your curls, honestly. So the longer that you hold it, the better. Yes, beautiful. Those are the type of curls I want. Really curly and pretty. Okay, then I take down my top hair for my handy dandy hair clip. I feel like I have a decent amount of hair at the top left out, yeah. So I'm thinking I can just do like 3. I'm gonna break this into 3 so it doesn't get too much too crazy. And the curl that I really have to perfect, I wait till I get to like the front. The front of my hair is where I really want that perfect curl, because that's what you visually see. Like when you walk up and stuff, you see that front curl the most, honestly. So that's the curl that I really, really focus on. As far as the rest of them, I just want them to be tight. So yeah.
You had to play me, I didn't disagree.
All right, now this is the one that really counts. This is everything right here. This is literally everything. I'm just gonna turn on my straightener because I'm gonna like give my bangs a little bump. Basically, I want them to like really fit in with the curls. I'm not sure if I really want to curl the bang, but I'll see. I'm thinking I just want it to fit in with the curls, so I may curl it with my flat iron. That's usually what I do as well, but this is the one that I was talking about. This is the curl that really counts. So I want to get, I'm pretty high up with this curl, if you can see, pretty high up. I'm gonna go from there. Give it a moment. I like when it's nice and hot. All right, let's see how this curl comes out. This is the moment of truth. Come on, curl. Yeah, I'm so scared to let it go. All right, I'm liking it. I'm not loving it quite yet, but I'm liking it. Let me give my flat iron a moment to warm up. But yeah, if I left it like this, then it just like, I have like this straight bang and some curls. So maybe I want to go in there, and I'm gonna actually recurl it once again. I want it really nice and tight. Maybe I wanted it a little bit lower. Maybe I did it too high because I'm not loving it, and I want to love that front curl. That front curl matters. So let's try it again. That's what I'm saying. You can like, I didn't quite mess up, but it just, I don't love it. So I think I went too high or too something. I did something that I just don't love. Is my eyelash moving? I think my eyelash is moving. Come on, dude. Can't get the curl that I want and my eyelash is like coming up. There we go. They're magnetic. All right. Now what I want to do is just give my hair like a bump. Oh, this is too high. What the hell do I have this on? This goes up to 450, and it's like at 450 almost. Like, I just burn my hair out. After this, the video, you see me bald. So yeah, let's see. I also put some stuff on my hair, so that could be what's making it steamy. Because I don't want no steamy hair, but I like to keep my hair nice and give it that gloss and that shine. So what I personally use is this Jamaican mango and lime island oil. It smells so good. I love it. I love it. Yeah, that's what I use to get this shine in my hair. Look at that flat iron, just one time, honestly. And yeah, that's what I like to do. I want to give it a little bump, make it go backwards, and make it kind of just fit in with the curls. Let's see. Yeah, so that I like. I like.
Just play around for the night. You got me wondering why. Shouldn't we call it a night? You love my love, you're never gonna find better love, and I don't want you to. You hate my love because you're dead without it. You got me good for you. You love my love, you know you never find better love, and I don't want you to. You hate my love, you couldn't live without it. You got me good for you. You love my love, you're never gonna find better love, and I don't want you to. You hate.
Okay, this is the one that majorly counts. It's already like falling down. I think I got some of my bang inside there too, so whatever. I can curl some of the bang. The rest of it I'll go ahead and flat iron and just pull back basically like I did on the other side.
You love a love, you're never gonna find better love.
And like just bump it to the back a little bit, blend in better, because just them being straight is just not gonna work for me. Oh yeah, this was in the curl. That was definitely inside the curl. Okay, how'd that bump turn out first of all? Gotta bump it a little bit harder, looks like. And as far as this hair, I'm gonna curl it. Sometimes I just use my flat iron to make some curls, and they usually come out fine, honestly. Just go round and round and round. Look at that, comes out pretty. Usually blends in really well. I want to re-bump this again because that bump, I mean, it's cool, but it's just not working for me. A little bit more. How is that now? I think I'm liking that better. Is that the curly hair in the back there? I'm trying to see what is sticking out, dude. What is it? Oh, it's my curl. Just gotta make that blend. I think it'll be fine.
The hard work. You had to play me. I didn't disagree. You said you.
And then I like to, you know, just tease it a little bit, play with it, pull it out, this and that, and just get a big pretty hairstyle. But that is how I established my hairstyle for the photo shoot, the maternity photo shoot. Those are my curls. These are my tools. My tools. And I already showed you my oil, how I keep this nice and shiny. So yeah, go from there. I think it came out nice. Usually I would go in there and perfect it a little bit more, but for the most part it came out nice. Kind of how I had it for exactly for the photo shoot. I'm gonna put all of the hair in the front. There's my hairstyle. A little messy, but there's my hairstyle.